Hello, I'm Dr. Jameson Spencer, Director of Dental Sleep Medicine and TMD for Lane & Associates Family Dentistry. I'm also the past president of the American Academy of Craniofacial Pain and honored to be adjunct faculty at UNC Chapel Hill, Tufts University, and University of the Pacific in craniofacial pain and dental sleep medicine. It's my privilege also to be involved with a CE event hosted by Landmark CE Events in Garner, North Carolina, just south of the Raleigh area. This event is going to be held on October 28th and 29th, Friday and Saturday, and it'll be my privilege to speak on Friday the 28th. I'd like to invite you to join us at this event, and I'd like to give you an overview of what that weekend is going to entail. It's going to be jam-packed and a very, very special CE event for you and your staff. So Friday, I'll be speaking on TMD in the morning and dental sleep medicine in the afternoon. Now, this won't be your typical TMD lecture where you leave more confused than when you came in. I will be focused on practical, learn it today, use it tomorrow, skills and tools that you can use to help the patients in your practice. We'll be discussing anatomy, we'll be discussing diagnosis and treatment of the most common TMJ problems rather than the zebras that are sometimes fun to focus on although you never see them in your actual patients. We'll have lunch catered in, and then in the afternoon, I'll be speaking on dental sleep medicine. Be speaking on normal sleep in adults and children and obstructive sleep apnea in adults and children, and how we as dentists can be involved in the screening, evaluation, in referring those patients to our medical colleagues for accurate diagnosis, and in the management of their care. And this is such an exciting field, such an area where we can absolutely help our patients, literally saving their lives and significantly impacting the quality of their life. So if you're not doing this now, it could be because you're nervous about creating side effects or creating jaw problems or tooth movement, bite changes, things like that. And we'll go over how to avoid those types of side effects, how to help your patients without having those types of things occur. I'll also spend time on going over all the different appliances and how to choose which appliance is best for your patient. There's a whole bunch of appliances out there, and sometimes it gets confusing on what to use when, but we'll go over that in detail. Now, as soon as I get done, then kind of the fun really begins, and there will be a social event that evening. Got some notes here so I don't forget anything. So as soon as the lecture ends, we'll have a social hour. We'll begin shortly thereafter in the gardens. And that will also include a cigar bar for you cigar smokers out there and North Carolina wine tasting. So that should be a lot of fun. Dinner will be served at 7:30. By the way, your registration includes you and a +1 for this social event. After dinner, or as dinner is wrapping up, we'll have a special treat in having a live performance by the Embers. Now, if you are from the Carolinas, the Embers probably need no introduction. If you're not, like me, if you're new to the area, the Embers are a wonderful beach music band and just a legend, and wonderful music to dance to and to listen to and just to enjoy that time in the fall here in this beautiful garden with your new friends and your colleagues at this CE event. So hope you can join us for that. So that is all included in your registration. And the Embers will play late into the night and for your enjoyment. Saturday we get rolling again, and we have a couple wonderful speakers who will be joining us there. Dr. Lisa Koenig, who will be speaking on cone beam CT principles and application. And she'll be going over anatomy and pathology, what we see on these cone beam CTs. And cone beam CT, if you're not using it now, if you don't have one in your office, which most dentists don't, you have access to cone beam CT in your community. Somebody has one, and you can get this technology to help with your patients and your treatment, your diagnosis. I've had a cone beam CT for well over a decade. Really changed my paradigm and how I was treating people and the things that I could see and getting to the actual etiology of what was going on. So Lisa will be talking about cone beam CT. I think that will be fantastic. If you are thinking about possibly getting a cone beam CT, you need to be at this lecture. We'll then have lunch catered in again, and then in the afternoon, kind of to end the weekend event there, we'll have Kerry Strain. He'll be talking about strategies that increase doctor, staff, and patient engagement and improve your bottom line. So that lecture alone, I believe, if you can pick up just a few pearls from Kerry, that will more than pay for your time and money that involved in coming to this CE event. And I think that you will pick up a myriad of pearls that can help you and your practice and your team. So October 28th, 29th in Garner, again, just south of the Raleigh area. If you're not from Raleigh, lots of different hotels you can stay at and still be within driving distance of Garner. There's a couple hotels in Garner that you could stay at as well. But we'd love to welcome you in. If you have any questions at all, please contact the numbers here, and they can let you know of any information that you need. If you have any questions for me personally about maybe what I'm talking about or something like that, you can email me at jameson@jamesonspencer.com. So hope to see you there October 28th, 29th in Garner. Going to be fantastic. There will be more events coming, but this will be our inaugural event. By the way, if you can only join us for one day, you just want to hear about the cone beam CT, or you want to see Carrie, or you just want to hear about the TMD and sleep, come in and just join us for that. But we hope to see you there. Take care.
Talking about music by the towns, the Clovers, the Catalina.